Playing with the laser pointer. Get it, Claire.
Look at the kitty. Look at the kitty. Kitty, you right?
Uh-oh.
Yes!
Still got
What is that kid doing, Claire?
Where'd it go? Where'd the little dot go?
Does she like the light better or the kitty better?
I don't know. I think she changes her mind each
They both
second.
like it.
She's too drunk to know.
That's a good idea. Take it off for a while.
Oh, yes, yes. I got pajama pants from Grant.
Uh-huh. That's nice.
Claire.